this it, Spirit Sword?
Yes.
Oh. Okay. We're here in Taipei. What are we gonna do?
We are going to hike
Hike what?
Elephant Mountain.
Elephant Mountain. There's like a baby elephant on top, is that right?
Yeah. The last time I was here, I was with Chess and Eddie.
Oh, you guys hiked it?
Yeah. I'm so tired. Let me take a break.
How's it going, Jingli? Jingli? It's good or bad?
Bad.
Elephants, I like elephants.
It's only like, what, 15 minutes to the
I
top?
like elephants. I like how they swing through trees. Elephants. What?
Elephants don't sing.
We made it. How do you feel, Spirit Sword? How do you feel? It's a good hike. I liked it. Short, long, steep.
Elephants, I like elephants. Elephants, I like elephants. I like how they swing through trees.